The Virginia Department of Transportation has a maintenance project in the works on the Route 17 bridges over Norfolk Southern Railway in Fauquier County. A public hearing was held December 2, 2015 to present the project plans and other details to the public. In case you missed it, this video covers much of what was shared at the hearing. Input on the project will be accepted through Monday, December 14th. Comments can be emailed to Howard Tomlinson, the project manager, at the address shown. If you have filled out a comment sheet, mail it to the VDOT Culpeper District Office at 1601 Orange Road in Culpeper. With this project, VDOT proposes to rehabilitate the southbound Route 17 bridge and paint the northbound bridge that spans the Norfolk Southern Railroad tracks and Route 805, known as Bealton Road. On the southbound side, work involves replacing the bridge's superstructure, including the deck and railings. VDOT will also widen the existing bridge abutments and piers and rebuild the roadway approaches at each end of the bridge. The rehabilitated southbound bridge will have two 12-foot travel lanes and feature improved shoulders for a total deck width of 40 feet. With this project, the Route 17 northbound bridge will be painted to extend its service life. According to 2014 data, the average daily traffic on this stretch of Route 17 is 22,000 vehicles in both directions. The project's estimated cost is $3,848,386. Construction is anticipated to begin in fall 2017 and will last approximately 18 months. Work to the southbound bridge will take place in phases to maintain a single travel lane for vehicles traveling south. Only minor traffic impacts are expected on Route 17 northbound while bridge painting occurs. VDOT wants your input on this project. Please submit your feedback by Monday, December 14th to Howard Tomlinson, the project manager, at the email address shown on your screen, or by mailing a comment sheet to the VDOT Culpeper District Office at 1601 Orange Road in Culpeper. You may also call 540-829-7500 to speak with VDOT staff or to schedule a time to come in and review the project plans in detail. More information, including the public hearing brochure and comment sheet, is available on VDOT's website at virginiadot.org.